Hi, today I am going to discuss about conditional probabilities. Someone may difficult to understand this part because I think this is a little bit difficult part in probability. When we talk about the definition of the conditional probability, if A and B are any two events in a sample space S and probability of A not equal to 0, the conditional probability of B given A is equal to probability of B intersection A divided by probability of A. This is the theorem 1. We can call this as multiplicative rule. If A and B are any two events in a sample space S and probability of A not equal 0, probability of B intersection A is equal to probability of B given A into probability of A. This is theorem 2. If A, B and Z are any three events in a sample space capital S and probability of A intersection B is not equal to 0, probability of A intersection B intersection C is equal to probability of A into probability of B given A into probability of C given A intersection B. This equation can be obtained using theorem 1. Now let's see the proof of this part. Probability of A intersection B intersection C, we can write probability of A intersection B whole thing intersection C. Then we can use the multiplicative theorem to these two cases, that is probability of A intersection B into probability of C given A intersection B. Now we know probability of A intersection B is equal to probability of A into probability of B given A. Finally, we can obtain this answer. Here I have given an example to understand the conditional probabilities and the theorems I described. If we randomly select 2 balls from a bag of 16 balls, which 6 are red, what is the probability that both balls will be red? Here I have mentioned specially without replacement. Let capital A as first ball is red, capital B as second ball is red. These are my two events. Probability of A is equal to 6 over 16. That is the probability of selecting the red ball first is 6 over 16. Here 6 because there are 6 balls in the bag. Then probability of B given A is equal to 5 over 15. Here B given A. Given A means first ball was red. Therefore, there are 5 balls remain in the bag. Therefore, here value should be 5. Now, we have 15 balls remain in the bag. That is because first, you have selected the ball from the bag. Therefore, now probability of B given A is equal to 5 over 15. Now, we can find probability of B intersection A. In other words, probability of both balls will be red is equal to probability of A into probability of B given A. Substitute these two values and you can obtain the final answer as 0.125. Thank you very much. We'll see again with a new lesson.